Article 249, Parliament's power in national interest. Article 249 of the Indian Constitution empowers Parliament to legislate on matters in the state list when it is necessary in the national interest. Conditions for exercise. If the Rajya Sabha passes a resolution by two-thirds majority of members present and voting, declaring that it is necessary or expedient in the national interest for Parliament to make laws on a state list subject. Once passed, Parliament may legislate on the specified state list matter for the whole or any part of India. Duration. The law remains valid for 1 year, but can be extended, but each extension not exceeding 1 year. Effect on state laws. State legislatures lose competence to legislate on that subject during the period the parliamentary law is in force. Existing state laws remain valid unless they are inconsistent with the parliamentary law. Nature and importance. Article 249 is an exception to federalism and reflects the unitary bias of the Constitution. It is used in situations demanding uniform national action.